Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make strawberry flan cake. First, gather all your ingredients, including fresh strawberries, your favorite cake mix, and the essentials for the creamy flan. Next, prepare your baking pan by greasing it thoroughly. This ensures a smooth release later. We're creating a delightful dessert that perfectly blends a tender cake base with a rich, sweet flan topping. Now, let's focus on the cake layer. Prepare your cake batter following the instructions on the package. Once mixed, carefully pour the batter into your greased baking pan, spreading it evenly. Bake the cake until it's golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out completely clean. This forms the delicious foundation for our flan cake. With the cake base ready, it's time for the star, the creamy flan. In a blender, combine evaporated milk, condensed milk, and 3 large eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that perfect aroma and taste. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth. Carefully pour this flan mixture over your cooled, baked cake layer in the pan. For the final bake, place your pan in a larger pan filled with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake until the flan is set. Once cooled, chill the cake in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. This ensures it sets beautifully. Finally, invert the cake, garnish with fresh strawberry slices, and enjoy your magnificent creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.